If you're experiencing a no service error on your iPhone while using Mint Mobile, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check coverage. Ensure that you are in an area with Mint Mobile coverage. You can visit the Mint Mobile website to view the coverage map. If you are in a location with poor signal, try moving to a different area. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve network issues. Press and hold the power button until you see the slider, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and turn your iPhone back on. Step 3. Check eSIM card. Before activation, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 4. Update carrier settings. Make sure your carrier settings are up to date. Connect to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, tap on General, then tap About. If an update is available, a prompt will appear to update your carrier settings. Step 5. Reset network settings. If the issue persists, resetting your network settings may help. Go to Settings, tap on General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Note that this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the no service error on your iPhone with Mint Mobile. If the problem continues, consider contacting Mint Mobile support for further assistance.